Hi guys, today I want to show you my unboxing on hands-on of my Spigen Spin Fit Case, Thin Fit Case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I bought it from Taobao for around $20. It's fairly expensive compared to my other previous review cases, but yeah, it's Spigen. I can say I personally a Spigen fan because I always purchase their case for my of any smartphone. If I happen to have several cases for my phone, for my collection, Spigen is no doubt the number one to go for. I can say that the usability and its design is top notch for its price. Okay, let's unbox it and try it on my iPhone. Okay, I think in the case there is only the case itself inside. It looks fairly slim. The button, okay, yeah, there is cover for both button. Space over there. I think there is a fairly high raise edge to protect the camera bump. Okay, we'll see it. Yeah, it's blue on blue again. I think you already know that I love blue. Okay, wow. Okay, here I think it's one of the great looking minimal case. Still, it has a fairly high raised edge. I think it's around I don't know, it's maybe less than 0.5 to protect the front screen. I think the front screen, okay, but the camera bump, there is a good protection over there, as you can see. Okay, you can put that. Okay, I see. Spigen has a well-known air cushion technology that it's absorb and mitigate all impact in each corner of the case. Since the case is very thin, I think it's gonna work with a MagSafe charger. Okay, let's find one. Try. Okay, here is my anchor chair charger. Boom, boom. It's work and okay, but it's work, but there is no magnetic built-in inside, so the uh, it's not sticks too strong, but at least it works. Okay, and I'll see how it's hold on for the next few months. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you all and goodbye.